Hi everyone, so today we're going to make tissue paper letters. For this craft you will need the piece of cardboard, a marker, the tissue paper, a pair of scissors, and white glue. The first thing that you're going to do is take the piece of cardboard and the marker and draw the bubble letter that you want to make. In this case, I'm making an L for my good friend Laura. Next, take a pair of scissors and cut out the letter. As you can see, I probably should have used a ruler when drawing because my L wasn't as straight as I thought. After that, you can start cutting out your little squares of tissue paper. Cut the squares up until they're about the size of a quarter. As you can see, I used a quarter to compare so you guys can see how big they should be. And then you can start putting them on the letter. So to do this, you take a piece of tissue paper, wrap it around a pencil or the marker you used before, dip it in glue, and then put it on the letter. I started using 2 pieces of tissue paper at a time. That way the glue didn't break through when I put it onto the letter. Once you're finished filling it up, it should look something like this. And this is what it should look like when it's complete. I love it because it reminds me of a beautiful garden. And using tape or stick tack, you can put it up on your wall, on your door, or anywhere else in your house. Thanks for watching!